Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are very well. Almighty grace of Allah. Today I am here. Suddenly, please wait. Suddenly, the rain has come down, and we are waiting for finish the rain. That's why we are waiting here. So. The rain has no hurry, not heavy, but still raining. So we are stay a house like a small house. Actually, I with my friend, my brother. Okay, so that's why I want to practice my English. If I mistake any kind of sentence, please comment me on my comment box. Okay, today I'm gonna share you something special, that is how to speak, how to learn, how to improve your spoken English. Okay, first of all, you listening, you writing, and practice. Also, you can writing your own, what you want to say, what you want to think, and more, etc. When you listening a passage, read lecture, anything, then one thing you always do, that is, when you listening one passage again and again repeatedly, you do this until the part of your memory. Okay, until part of your memory, মানে যতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত আপনার এই মাথার ভিতরে জিনিসটা সেভ না হচ্ছে, একদম পুরোপুরি আপনার আয়ত্ত না আসছে, ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত একই জিনিস বারবার আপনি প্র্যাকটিস করুন। একই জিনিস যখন বারবার প্র্যাকটিস করবেন, দেখবেন ইনশাল্লাহ আপনার ভিতরে, আপনার মাথায় সেটা চলে আসবে। বিকজ গড হ্যাজ গিভেন এ সুপার কম্পিউটার, দ্যাটস লাইক এ সুপার কম্পিউটার, নট অনলি ডেস্কটপ, not only laptop, that is super computer. We have no pay money for this. Okay, so you want to learn English, please do this. And if you want to improve your English, please do this every day, every single time. So thank you for watching. Keep watching for my video. Also, you can subscribe my channel and also follow my Facebook page. So thank you for watching my video. Stay connected with me. Thank you.